In this video, you'll learn how to fix Claude Code syntax errors effectively. This guide will take you through a series of steps to ensure your Claude CLI setup functions correctly. Start by opening PowerShell. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. This action will open the Run dialog. In the text field, type PowerShell and then press Enter. PowerShell will launch, providing you with a command line interface. Next, verify that you have node.js and the claude-ndol-v and press Enter to check your node.js version. Then, type in pm-v to confirm the npm version. Finally, check the Claude version by typing Claude-version. Ensure that your node version is 18 or higher and that the Claude CLI is installed globally using the command npm install-g at Anthropic A/Claude Code. If you encounter an error stating that Claude is not recognized, you will need to adjust your system's path variable. Enter the command $end, path plus equal sign, C, users $end ep data roaming and path data. After that, try typing Claude-version again to confirm it is now recognized. Now, set your Claude API key as an environment variable. Use the command setx text cloudy underscore API underscore key your underscore API underscore key underscore here, and make sure to replace your underscore key underscore here with your actual API key. Once you execute this command, close PowerShell and reopen it to activate the new environment variable. To confirm that the API key is set correctly, type echo $endure CLAD underscore API underscore key and press Enter. Proceed to test a minimal prompt to ensure that your setup is working. Enter the command Claude, hello Claude, summarize Windows 11 in one sentence. -JSON and press Enter. If this command executes successfully, it indicates that your command line interface is functioning properly. However, if you receive a syntax error, double check the use of quotes and backticks in your input. PowerShell has specific rules regarding special characters, which is important to understand. To escape double quotes within a string, use the \, as in Claude, summarize the file readme.md in one paragraph. Alternatively, you can use single quotes around the entire string, such as Claude summarize the file readme.md in one paragraph. Avoid using backticks unless absolutely necessary, as they can cause confusion in parsing. When testing JSON input, ensure that it is formatted correctly. For example, you can define a payload with the command $payload equals G. Always use double quotes for JSON keys and values. Avoid trailing commas and do not include undefined or null values to prevent errors. To enable debug mode, which is helpful for identifying syntax errors, use the command claude-debug summarize readme.medim in one paragraph. This will provide detailed output that can help you pinpoint parsing errors in your input. Review this output carefully and adjust your quotes or JSON structure as needed. Finally, you can combine everything into a single PowerShell session for efficiency. Start by setting your API key with sets clayu underscore API underscore key your underscore API underscore here, and also assign it to the environment variable using $underscore API underscore API underscore API underscore API underscore API underscore here. Next, define your prompt with escaped quotes such as $prompt equals summarize the file readme.md in one paragraph. Run the command Claude-debug $prompt-JSON to execute your request. This method works effectively in corporate Windows environments and helps avoid syntax mistakes. If you are working with large prompts, use the command $content equals get content C my project redm-raw to read the file content. Split this content into manageable 5,000 character chunks with the command $chunks equals $content-split. 5,000 and A, where object r $_ne liter each chunk using a for each loop, ensuring to escape any double quotes with $safe chunk equals $chunk. Execute each chunk with Claude-debug $safe chunk -JSON to handle large inputs without overflow issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.